Alright, so I'm doing the water pump on my 2016 Tacoma V6 4-wheel drive TRD off-road. And just to give a little heads up to what you're looking at doing, all I did was pull off the fan, which is just a quick 4 bolts, the radiator shroud and the radiator, and you can get down here real easy and get down to these. I recommend taking your old one or your new one, tracing it, and placing the right bolts at the right spot so it's not as hard. Finished up, got the new one in. A couple things I forgot to add is that one down there, that is the tensioner pulley. That one right there, this one down here, not this top one, this one. And then the only pulleys that have to come out is the tensioner pulley, this top pulley right here, and then one more over here. I think that bottom one right there. And they can all come out with just an impact. You don't need a puller for this job at all.